So how does one round numbers? Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. I've been teaching college math for 9 years, and we're here to give you a few tips on how to round numbers. Now, there's going to be a pattern involved, and once you see the pattern, rounding becomes pretty straightforward after that. So here's a couple of quick examples for you. First, we're going to talk about rounding to the nearest 10. Suppose you have, let's just say, the number 37. Now, rounding to the nearest 10, that means it's either going to go round down to 30 or round up to 40. Now, because we're rounding to the nearest 10, your focus is going to be on the next digit over. So our focal point is on the number 7. Now, a big rounding rule is if the number is 5 or more, you round up. But if it's less than 5, you round down. Now, obviously, because the 7 is 5 or more, that means the 37 gets rounded to 40. Now, here's another example. Suppose you have 149. You want to round to the nearest 100. It will either round up to 200 or round down to 100. Now, because we're round to the nearest 100, again, you simply look at the next place over. Now, because the digit is 4, it falls in the less than 5 category, which says you must round down. So 149 rounds down to 100. And last but not least, suppose you have, let's just say, 3,500. You want to round to the nearest 1,000. That means the 3,500 is either going to round up to 4,000 or round down to 3,000. Again, since you're rounding to the nearest 1,000, look over at the next digit, which is the 5. But as you can see, the 5 is part of the 5 or more criteria. And if it's 5 or more, you round up. So the 3,500 rounds to 4,000. So, I'm Jimmy, and this has been a glimpse on how to round numbers.